I was given this sample of the brew company's Be Your Own Barista Tanzania. Looks like it's a very strong premium coffee, hand roasted in Denmark. So Tanzanian coffee, hand roasted in Denmark, and here I am in Tucson thinking about how to enjoy this. So according to this, I would open the top, which is like a Ziploc, and then I would click something over here to open it, and then I would pour in the water somewhere in that temperature range they tell you there, and then this little thing here pops open, and that's your spout, and that's how you pour it out. And then it says empty, rinse, and refill. Oh, it's reusable. Very cool. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying that out. I usually will pour a couple of instances of water through the grounds because I'm cheap. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying this out. I like the concept that it's very thin, very easy to work with, coffee on the go, and it's already got a filter and sort of the containment for the brew. And this is a Tanzanian coffee. I haven't had any Tanzanian coffee in quite a while. So very much looking forward to this one. Hope this little quick review helps.